Alright guys, John Chicken Ship Farms, and we're here on location, Tampa, Florida, and we're in Walmart today and we came across this. We're actually down here in town for a wedding and we saw this and we're like, hey, we didn't bring our fishing stuff, so let's see what we got here to keep us going. This is from South Bend. It is ready to fish. It's their worm gear small tackle kit. See some of the things it comes with. It's an 88-piece kit, definitely geared toward using live bait, worms, and things like that. It's a very small box. You can see we just have a single tray. Yeah, just has a single pull-out tray. That doesn't really pull out. And there's a tackle that comes with it here. That says definitely set up for live bait fishing, worms, and things like that. At least has some decent sized bobbers. So let's open this up and take a look. Alright guys, if I open it up, as you can see here, we actually got 5 different sizes and styles of hooks. These are the bait savers here and here. And this is actually a nice size for trout fishing, small brim, and things like that, all the way up. Some pretty decent size, like I said. Got quite a few of each kind right here. This is them. And we also got a few of these quick connect swivels right there. And a couple 5 split shots, the 10 split shot. Every kit we've bought here lately comes with one of these. This is a fish dehooker, I guess. Oh, that's something that's come in every box that we've bought here lately. And a stringer, small stringer. And like I said, this is geared toward your live bait fishing, but it actually has some fairly decent bobbers in it. Not broken, pretty well put together, something we don't usually see in these kits. I said this one here is a little wonky, but it still works like it's supposed to. But you can see what I'm talking about right here. And right there, something a little smaller. What was nice about this kit was it actually had bobbers the size that you'll use, instead of like some of the other ones come with the really small bobbers. This is the smallest bobber in here, and definitely something we'll use. So yeah, it's a good little kit. This was $11. Here. Right there, worm gear, 88 piece, and just some of the things, like I said, that comes inside it here. Nice little kit.